Hi everyone and welcome back to Invest Naturally. In today's video, we are going to be deconstructing these military pants. In order to get the most fabric out of these pants, we're going to slowly and painstakingly seam strip all of these fabric pieces and fasteners, such as this button. There's absolutely nothing wrong with these pants. It's just that they've been issued new uniforms and therefore these are no longer in regulation. Therefore, these pants are just taking up unnecessary room, and instead of destroying them and or tossing them in the landfill, I have decided to give them a new life by upcycling them. After about 2 days, we have finally finished completely seam stripping all of the fabric pieces, and here's the final results. If you would like to see what I end up using this material on, I will be making a part 2 and maybe possibly a series on this kind of content. If you like this content, let me know so that I can continue making more. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!